Right guys, you join us in not too sunny Preston. I'm going to jib under this shop front here because it is quite a grisly day. But we're on the mooch for some old abandonments. I found a few, but I clocked this one. The old Spindlemakers Arms, I believe it was called. This old place has been there for a long time and was actually featured in the first ever edition of the Good Beer Guide back in 1974, and it actually closed its doors in 1994. So I figured we'll go in, have a little mooch and see if we can find any history, man. So yeah, without further ado, let's rock and roll. As you can see, we've made it in and we have a little friend. Kind of scared him when we came in, but he's not even bothered. I think he wants a stroke, this one. Alright, mate. Oh, there's another outside. No way, man. Can you see the other one outside? Probably fornicating. So yeah, we've made it in to the old Spindles or Spindlemakers Arms, I can't remember. Yeah, but the place is absolutely hammered, guys. But I figured, considering it has been closed since 1994, there may have been some remnants of the past. I think somebody's been getting their head down in that back room, to be honest with you. Bit of a table there. I'm hoping there may be some old photographs and whatnot that we can transition to, you know. But the place is, oh wow, look at that. It's game over for this old gaff, it's safe to say. So I think this one will be a very short video. But for the people of Preston that used to frequent this gaff, you might appreciate getting to see what it's like now. Absolutely hammered, but there's the old doors, man. Yeah, 1994 this place finally closed its doors, guys, and it has remained derelict ever since. I've no idea where the bar would have been or anything like that. Yeah, absolutely battered, but at least you get to have a quick look inside for anyone that is curious. Apparently it was going to turn into student accommodation. Wow. Yeah, it's absolutely battered. And I've just crawled through a load of dog shit to get in. You can walk through that open door there. Look at that. Absolutely hammered, the old spindle makers. But yeah, if you're used to drinking here at least, guys, and you have any old stories or even any old photographs you can share over on the Facebook page, and give us a shout, man, and do so. I'm sure a lot of people will appreciate it. Yeah, I was hoping for a little bit more, but there's an old fridge there. As you can see, it's completely hammered. I don't even think there's any old signage, nothing, man. Yeah. Game over for the old spindle makers, I'm afraid. It was actually, like I said at the beginning, one of the first pubs. Well, it was in the first edition of the Good Beer Guide back in 1974, man. Oh, now that is promising. The old basement. I think we shall be having a butcher's down there. Some kind of old engine, possibly there. I don't know what that is. Yeah, you can see where it's been set on fire there. Possibly part of an old kitchen. Yeah, the place is lethal, it's just dripping. Definitely going to be getting knocked down. I nearly went then. What's this here? Oh, we've got the stairs here. Oh, wow. We'll have a butcher's pit. Excuse me. And then we'll finish in the basement, I think. Yeah. Battered. It's absolutely battered, guys. Feels sturdy enough. Yeah, you can see where it's all been ripped out and then just left. I mean, people used to live up here. Crazy. Old radiator there. And you can see out to those shops where we started. Yeah. Not much to see in here, I know. So it'll only be a quick jaunt. I will put it out just for those curious. And hopefully we get a bit of feedback on it, eh? Looks like they've started doing it up here at some point, but it's just got left. Wow. You can see Mother Nature there growing through that window. Yeah. There's not much to see. Big gaping hole in the floor there. I think that's it, guys. We'll have a butcher's down basement. See if there's any remnants of the past. There is an old newspaper here though. What is the date on that? Friday the 3rd of November 2006. Huh. Pretty cool, man. Yeah, we'll push down, jib in that basement. And I think we'll call it. I'll just follow graffiti. Lovely. Very lovely. Oh, there you go. That's a lovely, lovely one. Suck my hairy balls. Very artistic. Back down into the abyss. Oh, dear me. I'm going to check on them cats before I go out. One of them's probably ready to have kittens, you know. I'm curious. In fact, footage of my own basement. I'll have a little peek outside. Yeah, it's just, I think that was possibly an old garage back in the day. A garage, garage. See, flats up there. Probably would have come out here for a fag, eh? Madness. Shame really. Probably would have been a nice little boozer this back in the day. Judging by the pics I've seen of the outside. Oh, that's very heavy that door. Oh, can I hear ratatouille down there? I fucking hope not. Pardon my French. Close knit down there. Like a corridor. I think it is pitch black. Oh wow. Yeah, it's just an empty room. A few bits of old stuff. Oh, it does go further back, wow. Don't know if that's a big puddle. No. See an old wooden bench there, that's been here for a long time. The remnants of a Zimmer frame, I believe, or even an old stool. Wow. Quite big down there, to be honest with you guys. Sodden. Not much down here really. Oh, is that an old beer pump possibly? Look at that. The only thing of colour in the entire place is an old child's toy. Oh yeah, what do we have here? Isolate before opening, I don't know what that is. Bottle barrel thing there. Oh my god, look at that guys. If anything was worth the mooch in here, yeah, it's gotta be that, hasn't it? Look at that, man. Old school till with all the old pennies on it and everything. That is cool, man. Look at that. Mint. Pretty cool little find that, eh guys? Oh wow, there you go. That's more like it. What do we have here? Let me just put that torch down a second. Let's have a look at some of these. There you go. What's that one? Something ale. Very strong ale. Very strong ale, yeah. We'll leave it at that. I want a very strong fucking ale when I get out of this shithole. Yeah, so it might not be the greatest camera work in here, guys, because it's a complete and utter shithole death trap, but there's where you would have fed your beard up back in the day. Madness.